Hey everyone, welcome to an exciting new series where we are going to build our own Spotify clone from scratch using MERN Stack. I am Ankit Prajapati, and over the next several videos, we are going to create a fully functional music streaming application that looks and feels like Spotify. By the end of this videos, you will able to build something that you can actually use and showcase in your portfolios. We are building a complete full stack application with real database, file upload for music, and so proper API endpoint. Also see how Spotify handles too many traffic and serve million of songs, and we will also see how to make it production ready. So let's talk about features. In this project or say app, we will going to implement many features like authentication with email and password, user authorization with JWT tokens. Also, we will build a beautiful music player with play, pause, skip, shuffle, and also repeat functionality button. Also, we will add a sleek progress bar and volume control. We will also give functionality for manage and create playlist, add song, remove songs, and organize their music just like a real Spotify application. Also, we will going to give a search functionality so user can find their favorite artist, music, album, etc. Music discovery features with trending songs, recently played songs. And so now let's talk about our tech stack. First, we will going to use MongoDB for our NoSQL database where we will store all the user data, song information, playlist, and everything else. Express.js. This will be our backend framework running on Node.js. We will create RESTful APIs for authentication, music management, and all our functionalities. React and Redux for our front end. We will use React to build dynamic interactive user interface. We will also use some libraries like React Router DOM and Redux toolkit for state management and React Router DOM for navigation. For styling, we are going to use Tailwind CSS to make our front end more beautiful and cool. Uh, and last, our Node.js, our server-side JavaScript runtime that will power our backend. In future, we will also use the Redis to cache our data like recently played songs, also users data like users uh, fetching fetching his profile data, etc. Created the server and client folder. In this client folder, in server, I have created src directory where configurations app. I have created this app. Then in main.ts, also I forgot to mention that we are going to use TypeScript, and this is a main.ts file. Here I have created a basic Node.js server, and this is our Express.js app. So now let's see our client side. So here the client side. Also let me show the packages we have installed. First, NodeMon to keep track of change files and reloading as we have save as we save our files. Now package.json, you can see I am using .env to store secret environment variables and express for our server side. Now, TypeScript based XSJS, like types for XSJS and type for Node, ESLint, and NodeMon, etc. Let's see our front end code. So I have scaffolded our app and basic hello world. I am returning a basic hello world in main. And I have, it's same as we create our React app. So let's see packages. This is my package.json. It's nothing, only a simple React.js app. So let's install its dependency. So first we'll go in client side and run npm install, and also for second server we will go in server and run npm install. So it will install all the dependencies. So it done installing in both, I guess. Yes. Both server and client has installed it dependency. Let's see server. Okay. Now let's run both of these. So for client, I will use npm run dev. It started our client server client, and for server npm run dev. Now it started on port 5000 as I have configured for the app. This is the app now in main.js. It started. So now, uh, now in next video we will create our schemas for album and tracks, and create a REST API for all for them.